Have you ever noticed something strange? People around you are getting raises, switching jobs for more money, climbing the corporate ladder, yet somehow, they never seem to get ahead. They earn more, but their bank accounts don't show it. They live paycheck to paycheck. The stress never ends, and that dream of financial freedom keeps slipping further away. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. And today, on Financial Reality Official, we're going to uncover exactly why this happens, more importantly, how you can avoid it. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, because the strategies I'm sharing today could completely change how you think about money, and you don't want to miss any of them. Let's start with a hard truth. Earning more does not automatically mean getting ahead. In fact, for most people, earning more often makes the problem worse. Why? Because of a little-known psychological trap called lifestyle inflation. Lifestyle inflation happens when every time you get a raise, you immediately start spending more. That new car you've been eyeing suddenly feels justified. That bigger apartment seems like a necessity. You even upgrade your vacation plans. On the surface, it feels like success, you're living the life you've worked for, but in reality, all that extra income is disappearing as fast as it comes in. Think about it. Someone making $50,000 a year suddenly earns $70,000. Most people will spend that extra $20,000 on things they couldn't afford before. They tell themselves, I'm just treating myself. I've earned it. But here's the catch. The moment your lifestyle grows with your income, your financial position doesn't improve. You've just earned more to spend more, leaving your net worth stagnant. Financial Reality Official is all about breaking this cycle, because awareness is the first step. Another reason people earn more but never get ahead is debt. Not just credit card debt, but the hidden debt that comes from keeping up. Car loans, student loans, is personal loans. All of these silently eat away at your progress. Imagine earning $70,000 a year, but spending $30,000 on monthly payments and interest. That leaves you with just $40,000 to live on, save, and invest. You might feel richer, but your wealth is not growing. The sad part is that society has conditioned us to believe this is normal. We are taught to earn, spend, and borrow, and somehow it becomes a cycle that never ends. Even when people do manage to save, the way they save often limits their progress. Many Americans keep money in savings accounts with almost zero interest, thinking it's a smart move. But inflation silently erodes that money's value. 10 years of earning more, saving more, but keeping it in the wrong place can actually make you poorer in real terms. At Financial Reality Official, we emphasize the importance of not just saving, but investing intelligently. Money should work for you, not just sit there and lose value over time. Now let's talk about something most people ignore: mindset. It's a fact that financial success isn't only about money. It's about thinking like a wealth builder. Most people think like earners. They focus on their paycheck, promotions, and what they can buy next. Wealth builders, on the other hand, think about systems, investments, and creating streams of passive income. The difference is enormous. One is stuck in the rat race. The other is building freedom. If you want to break free, you have to start thinking differently. Every dollar you earn should be directed with purpose toward investments, toward financial growth, not just toward temporary pleasures. There's also a subtle trap called comparison. It's everywhere: social media, coworkers, family. You see someone else's lifestyle and feel pressured to match it. That pressure drives spending. People earn more money, but the moment they see a neighbor upgrading their car or posting a vacation online, they feel they must do the same. The problem is, comparison never ends. Someone will always appear richer, and chasing that image is a guaranteed way to stay financially stuck. Financial Reality Official encourages viewers to define success on their own terms. You don't need to keep up. You need to get ahead. Another hidden reason people struggle is poor financial education. Most of us are never taught about money in school. We learn math, history, science, but not how to manage debt, invest, or grow wealth. Without this foundation, earning more income can become a trap. It's like giving someone a high-performance car, but no driving lessons. They'll rev the engine, look fast, but ultimately crash. Learning how money works, how interest compounds, and how to leverage investments is crucial if you want to convert your income into real wealth. Here's an example of what Financial Reality Official talks about all the time. Imagine two people, both earning the same income. One spends every extra dollar, inflates their lifestyle, and ignores investing. The other earns the same, but automates investments, pays off debts, and keeps lifestyle inflation in check. 10 years later, the first person has nothing extra saved. The second person has financial freedom on the horizon. The difference isn't luck, it's choices, discipline, and understanding how money grows. We also have to address one of the most powerful habits that silently holds people back: ignoring your net worth. People focus on income, but income is only one side of the equation. Wealth is your assets minus your liabilities. That's why someone earning $100,000 can still be broke if all their money's tied up in cars, gadgets, or loans. Monitoring net worth regularly gives you clarity. It exposes where your money is going and shows whether you're moving forward or just running in place. And let's not forget about the power of automation. Most people fail to get ahead because they rely on willpower alone. Willpower is temporary. Habits are permanent. Automating savings, investments, and even debt payments ensures progress without relying on motivation. Financial Reality Official has always emphasized this approach. The less you have to think about managing money day to day, the more your money works for you. And the faster you grow wealth, it's also essential to build multiple streams of income. Relying solely on a paycheck is risky, even if it's high. Side businesses, investments, dividends, rental income, these allow your money to generate more money while you sleep. Most people never consider this until it's too late. By the time they do, they've spent years trapped in the earn and spend loop. Shifting your mindset to income generation outside of your salary is a game changer. Now, here's the uncomfortable truth many avoid. Consumer culture is designed to keep you stuck. Advertisers, social media, even friends push a lifestyle of constant spending. Every raise, bonus, or promotion is met with pressure to spend, upgrade, and impress. It's subtle, but incredibly effective. Breaking free requires intentionality. You must decide consciously what financial freedom means and reject the endless pressure to appear wealthy. Financial Reality Official encourages viewers to take control before culture controls you. Let's summarize some critical takeaways. Earning more is not the same as building wealth. Lifestyle, inflation, debt, poor financial education, comparison traps, and lack of investing all silently sabotage your progress. The solution isn't about making more money yet. S about controlling what you do with the money you already earn. Making smart investments, building multiple income streams, automating growth, and consistently monitoring your net worth. If you take just one step from today's video, make it this. Start directing your income with intention. Spend less than you earn, invest the difference, and avoid the traps of lifestyle inflation. This simple shift alone can dramatically change your financial trajectory over time. And remember, Financial Reality Official is here to guide you with insights and strategies to keep you moving forward. Before we wrap up, I want you to pause and think. Are you earning more but still stuck? If you've noticed these patterns in your own life, drop a comment below and share your experience. Let's start a conversation, because seeing how others tackle these challenges is incredibly valuable. And if you found this video insightful, share it with a friend who's working hard but not getting ahead. It could be the push they need to finally break the cycle. Thank you for watching, and remember, building wealth isn't about luck. It's about understanding, discipline, and consistent action. Every dollar you earn can be a step toward freedom if you use it wisely. Make those choices today, and your future self will thank you.